craft enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel Wall Curtains, where we turn ordinary items into extraordinary crafts. Today, we are excited to share a unique and eco-friendly DIY project with you, creating a beautiful wall hanging using waste paper cups. It's a fantastic way to add a personalized touch to your home decor while also repurposing materials. So, let's dive right into this fun and creative adventure. Step 1. Gather your materials. Before we get started, let's gather our materials. You'll need waste paper cups, any size and color, acrylic paint or spray paint, paint brushes, glue gun and glue sticks, scissors, decorative beads or buttons, twine or ribbon, a piece of cardboard, optional glitter, sequins, or other embellishments. Step 2. Cup preparation. First things first, we need to prepare our waste paper cups. Take your scissors and carefully cut the cups into different shapes. You can experiment with various sizes and designs to add a unique touch to your wall hanging. Step 3. Painting the cups. Next, grab your acrylic paints and let your creativity flow. Paint each cup in vibrant colors or go for a more subtle, coordinated look. Don't forget to let the paint dry completely before moving on to the next step. Step 4. Create flower-like shapes. Take paper and shape it into a flower-like form by folding and gluing the ends together. This will give your wall hanging a three-dimensional and textured look. Step 5. Arrange and glue onto cardboard. Now, let's arrange our paper cup flowers onto cardboard. Play around with different compositions until you find a design you love. Once you're satisfied, use a glue gun to secure the flowers onto the cardboard. Step 6. Add decorative elements. To make our wall hanging even more visually appealing, let's add some decorative elements. Glue on beads, buttons, or any other embellishments you have on hand. Step 7. Attach hanging mechanism. To hang your creation, attach a piece of twine or ribbon to the back of the cardboard using a glue gun. Make sure it's securely attached so that your wall hanging can be displayed proudly. And there you have it, a stunning wall hanging made from waste paper cups. This project adds a unique flair to your home decor and promotes sustainability by repurposing materials. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a crafty update. Happy crafting!